Hi everyone. Today I'm excited to share one of the latest core feature we've built at Butress. It's called Buttress, our new edge-side compute sharing module. We all know the pain. Many on-site devices simply don't have enough compute power. For example, POS terminals, regular tablets, or even older kiosks. Their compute is limited. In some cases, it's basically non-existent. The goal of Buttress is simple. Let these lightweight devices borrow the compute power of a more powerful edge AI box and share that capability across multiple endpoints in the store. Let me show you a live demo. This one is an iPad. Its local performance is barely acceptable. This one is an Android tablet. With a 3 billion model, the inference speed becomes almost unusable. And devices like this POS device, even worse. The compute is extremely limited. What we've developed is a way for all three devices to use the same edge AI box. One box, shared compute, serving multiple endpoints simultaneously. Now I'm switching all three into shared compute mode. Once they switch over, these devices all start using the compute from this single edge AI box in real time. I'll ask the same question on all three devices. What are the ingredients in this ramen? Let's start the test. You can see that all three respond extremely fast, and they respond at the same time. If you look at the interface here, you can see all the requests coming in and being processed by the Edge AI box, providing stable and efficient LLM inference. This approach dramatically reduces the cost of deploying AI at the edge. There's no need to replace every device in the store. With software plus a small hardware upgrade, the entire environment can become Edge AI enabled immediately. This is Butress, Butress's new compute sharing platform for Edge AI. Thank you.